Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I'm back with another video.
I'm out for my grandmother's. I can't wait for hours. When I come there, her and be like, "What's this?" I say, "My auntie."
Auntie who?
Monique did it.
I don't even know why I always start my video like that. But I'm back and y'all see these containers in front of me. We about to go ahead and make a mix. But before this video starts, let's get this video a thumbs up. And be sure that you are subscribed and that those post notifications are turned on. And if you're a return subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Dana, aka Mo. And over here we do everything bling. Okay, well, we only been blinging cell phone cases, but we still do everything bling. Be sure to head over to my Instagram and follow me at Designsbymyc. And also, while you at it, just go over to my TikTok and follow me there as well, Designsbymyc. Orange, she want the primary color to be orange. So I had these coral pearls right here. I'm gonna make this my base. So obviously I'm gonna add a lot of that. And this is gonna be a big mixture just in case somebody might like it in the future. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of these rhinestones, a nice little bit. Like I say, I do want to make a big mix. That's orange rhinestones. And to throw it off a little bit, I have like some a little bit of I guess you want to say golden orange. I'm not gonna throw a lot in there, just a little bit, just to throw it off just a little bit. And mind you, like, this is gonna be a big mixture, so don't mind that. And then I have some like little peachy, little bit, just a little bit. And then I have some like golden, I think these are like they're rhinestones, but I don't even know what transparent, I guess you want to say, golden transparent rhinestones. So just a little bit of them. Okay. And then y'all know I gotta be extra. I'm gonna throw some 2mm. I gotta go over here in a little stash, y'all. Some 2mm rhinestones. Y'all gonna hear the kids in the background. And these are AB. Just a little bit. Just a little pinch. 2 pinches of those. And then I got regular 2mm. And that's gonna be 2 pinches as well. And I'm just getting these rhinestones all over the place. Like, this is one thing that I hate about these smaller rhinestones. Like, oh my gosh, they get all over the place, and I be trying to save my money. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead with some bigger. Oh, you guys, I can't get this one over. I'm gonna go in with some bigger AB orange stones, just 2 pinches. Because it's not going to be a lot. Like I said, the base color is going to be, or the primary color is going to be that coral that was at the bottom. And, yeah. So I'm going to put this up. And y'all already know that I got to go in with my clear 2mm. Because y'all know I love my clear. So I got to go in with my clear 2mm. Where are you? Where are you, 2mm? You guys, I think I put it back in the closet. Because I don't see it over here. Let me check my other drawer. Nope, it's not over here. So that means I have to go into the cabinet real quick and grab them. But I think I'm gonna just go in with like I don't know if I want to do peach or clear. So you know what I'm gonna do, y'all? I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna do, because the AB, you know what, I'm gonna just do AB. I'm not gonna do clear. I'm gonna do AB since I'm already going with AB orange. I'm gonna do just the AB 2mm. Okay, just a little. I always say a little bit. 3 pinches, y'all. 3 pinches. Should I put some big AB in here? You know what? I'm gonna put some big AB. You can't go wrong with AB. You can't. Baby, you can't go wrong with AB. So I'm gonna go in with some. These are about, I want to say 4mm. So I'm gonna do a big one. All right, that's big. These stones are heavy. All right, I'm gonna just put this to the side because I want to mix this up. But I want to mix this up in like a container. All right, so I got an empty clear container right here. I'm just gonna throw this baby in. We're gonna mix it up and we're gonna see how it looks. Can't wait to make this piece. All right, y'all. All right, the final reveal is coming, and here is the final reveal. Now that is a beautiful mixture. I would never probably made this mixture. So shout out to the customer who placed this order. This case is going to be freaking dope. And like I said, I made a big mixture just in case, you know, somebody else likes this mixture and we could just go ahead and use it. But I think I'm about to take a picture of this and put this on Instagram because this mixture is popping. This is popping. All right, you guys. Let's go ahead, pull out the cell phone case and get the plate. Okay, you guys, I'm filling this layout. We're gonna go ahead and get the gluing. Okay, you guys, now let's get the blinging. Okay, you guys, so this bad baby is complete. So we're gonna go ahead and tear back that plastic and that paper. I gotta do a lot of cleaning up though because I got glue like on this, and this is actually a resin piece, so I gotta clean that up, and the mirror as well. But other than that, I think it turned out really well. It really did. I'm excited to send this customer her case. And this case was ordered off of Etsy. If you ever have trouble ordering off my website, feel free to but text messages are definitely better because I always got my phone with me. But yeah, so if you ever want to place an order and you're having trouble on the website, yeah, just send me a text message or a direct message and I'll get back to you. It's real easy. And I just want to let everybody know that they will see a slight price increase. Y'all, I gotta hurry because the baby is not feeling good. Sorry you guys for the hit the. Okay, not bad. I got like a little bit of paper in between the letters. It's kind of hard to get out, but we got it. There we go. I don't know why I don't just wait till I get off camera to clean this up. And it's coming off pretty good. It's coming off. And be sure to, you guys, that y'all take off the plastic and the paper film before you glue the pieces on. Because sometimes you might see plastic and paper on both sides. I normally don't take off the front layer until I'm done blinking because it's just like, it's fun to see like the reveal once you finish. But there is sometimes paper and plastic on the bottom. But here it is. So this bad baby is complete. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let me get 100 likes. Also make sure that you guys are subscribed and that those post notifications are turned on. And be sure to head over to my Instagram at Designsbymyc and give your girl a follow. And also my TikTok at Designs_by_MYC. And if you want something custom made, don't forget to hit a sister up. Okay, you guys? But until the next video. Bye-bye.